What's up, guys? Have you heard of BladeCine? Probably not. This new company has only one projector, but it promises to be one of the most interesting in 2025. The BladeCine Cube 600 has a 360 degrees adjustable gimbal stand, 1080p native resolution, 4K decoding, 600 True ISO Lumens brightness, and a smart system with certified Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and other apps. You know, the projector is called the Cube 600 because of its brightness of 600 ISO lumens. The company claims the brightness is certified by SGS. I have noticed many times that the projector has very high brightness on paper, but in practice it is not that bright. We will check out how the 600 True ISO lumens look like in the BladeCine Cube 600 projector. But let's start with unboxing, because there is something to show you here. So the projector comes in this cardboard box, which is unremarkable. However, when you open it up, you will see the custom travel case. This is the first time I have had a projector with a case like this, and I really like it. It is made of something like styrofoam, and it is very durable. Here we can see the image of the projector. It also says here that it is the brightest Cube LCD projector with a gimbal stand. We will check it out. On the sides, we see the main features of the projector. I have already told you about some of them, but I didn't mention the autofocus system, auto obstacle avoidance, auto keystone correction, and auto screen alignment. We will also check out how it works later in this video. So we need to take this off to open the case. Here we have the projector, user manual, and the package with accessories, such as remote control and power cord. HDMI or AV cable are not included, because you probably don't need them. The projector has a smart system, so you don't need to connect an external device, but if you want to, you can, because there are 2 USB and 2 HDMI ports. We will come back to this a little later. By the way, I saw on the official website that you can get an outdoor projector screen as a gift. It can probably be bought additionally as well. So I cannot really call this projector portable, but this travel case makes it very convenient to carry around. I am pretty sure it will protect the projector even if you drop it. You know, the BladeCine Cube 600 projector is definitely not portable, because it doesn't have a built-in battery, and it is also quite big and heavy. The dimensions with a gimbal stand are 260 by 245 by 187 mm. I will not even mention the size of the projector itself without the gimbal stand, because it is not removable. Its weight is 3350 grams. The gimbal stand is very durable, even though it is made of plastic. The projector is very hard to rotate on it, but that's good, because you can choose any angle you want. By the way, the gimbal stand is 360 degrees, but when the power cable is plugged in, then you can rotate the projector somewhere around 180 degrees. You know, I really like the design of this projector, but I think the dust will collect right here. But it is not a problem to wipe it from time to time. As for the dust getting inside, don't worry about this, because the projector has a fully sealed optical engine. This is very important for the lifespan of the projector. The company claims that it is 8 times longer compared to ordinary open optical projectors. On the front we can see the lens, the BladeCine logo, and the autofocus sensor. There is also a large grill on the front. 2 speakers and even a bass unit are under it. On the official website we can see what it looks like inside. There are cooling vents on the sides. The rear panel has connectivity ports such as RJ45, 2 USB, 2 HDMI, and one of them supports ARC, headphone jack, and infrared receiver. The AC input power port is also here. The bottom seems to have cooling vents as well. Finally, there's a single power button at the top. As for the remote control, it is very nice. It is made of pleasant plastic, unlike other budget projectors, and it has shortcut buttons to Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube. You know, the remote even has a backlight. Overall, I like the design of the BladeCine Cube 600. It is very well made, nothing creaks or squeaks. In addition, the projector stands very securely on the gimbal stand. It is almost impossible to move it from its place. It's not a portable projector though, as many videos on YouTube and even the Amazon page says. Now let's turn it on. As you can see, I tilted the projector on the gimbal stand, so the image on the wall is also tilted. Auto screen adjustment didn't work. Most likely, it is just not enabled in the settings. We will check it out later. But now we can select the projection placement, language, region, and Wi-Fi network. So we can see the home screen, but first we need to correct the Keystone. For that, go to the settings, Keystone, and enable all the functions here, such as auto correction after boot, auto correction after displacement, auto screen, and auto avoid. After that, you need to reboot the projector. Now it automatically adjusted the screen. That's great. As for the focus, you can also enable autofocus after boot and autofocus after displacement in the settings. I found that Auto Keystone and autofocus work very well, but if you want, you can use the remote to manually adjust the focus. By the way, let's also test Auto Optical Avoidance and Screen Alignment. I will stand in the front of the projector. As you can see, it detected me and resized the screen to appropriate size. It works great. Let's talk a little bit about the smart system. First, I see right away that this is not an Android system. I have seen this system on some other projectors before. Although you will not find it anywhere in the settings. It is actually Linux. When I logged into my YouTube account on the projector, I got a notification on my phone about a new sign-in on Linux. Anyway, there are also apps here, like on Android, for example, Netflix, YouTube, YouTube Kids, Prime Video, etc. You can also go to the App Store and install some other applications. As for the settings, here we have the setup menu with OSD language. Time setup, screensaver, sleep timer, auto standby, and some other options. After that, you can change the picture mode and manually adjust the picture, such as brightness, contrast, saturation, hue, etc. The audio settings include bass, treble, sound style, digital output mode, TTS, and a dialogue enhancement. We will check Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection a little later. I have already shown you projection, keystone, and zoom settings. By the way, there is also digital zoom from 100 to 50%. That's it. Now let's check out Wi-Fi screen mirroring. Screencast and home share apps are pre-installed on the projector, which are used to mirror the screen for Android and the Windows devices. If you have an iPhone, like me, then you need to go to the App Assistant and install Screen Share. Now just open this app on the projector, take your phone, go to the screen mirroring menu and select Cube 600. The projector supports dual-band Wi-Fi, and I had no problems with delay. It works very well. As for Bluetooth, first you can connect earbuds to the projector if you want to watch a movie alone. The external speaker can also be connected to the projector that way, but I think the built-in speakers are really good quality. Moreover, you can use the projector as an external speaker for your smartphone. Bluetooth speaker mode is available for this purpose. The BladeCine Cube 600 projector is equipped with dual 10-watt speakers and an extra bass unit. On the official website, we can see how they look like inside. Let's listen to some music. Yes, the sound quality is really good, and you don't need to connect external speakers. While I was using this projector, I didn't notice the fan noise at all. It is really quiet. The noise level near the projector is 44 decibels. And it is about 41 decibels at 1 meter. This is one of the quietest LED projectors I have tested. Finally, we are moving on to image quality. First, you should know that the projector has throw ratio of a 1.39 to 1. It is quite standard for LED projectors, and you will get 50 inches screen size at a distance of about 1.5 meters and 200 inches screen size at 6 meters from the wall. The BladeCine Cube 600 projector has native 1080p Full HD resolution and supports 4K video decoding. The maximum resolution on YouTube is 1080p. I really like the image of this projector. It is very clear, and I didn't notice the blurring around the edges or corners. As for the contrast ratio, it is 2000 to 1. In addition, the projector supports HDR10. Do you agree that picture has very saturated colors? I really like that.
Once again, I said before, you can't be that far over.
Perhaps the main feature of the BladeCine Cube 600 is the brightness, because it says the brightest Cube LCD projector on the box and on official website. It has 600 ISO lumen. You should know that this is not the same as ANSI or just lumens. We can see that 600 ISO lumens is much brighter than 600 ANSI lumens. There is even an explanation for why ISO lumen is best brightness standard. I can say that the image is really bright. I would probably compare it to the previous projector we tested with a brightness of 900 ANSI lumens. Even in a room with light, we can see the projection screen very well.
Here's a 1st and 10 throw. And again, they complete it. We're not going to beat the Chiefs. Here's a 1st and 10 throw. And again, they complete it.
Sorry, what mission? This would be a medical.
Also, movies with a lot of dark scenes lack detail.
It comes from the largest dinosaurs on the planet. Oh my god. Fortunately for us.
Let's watch some more videos in the dark room.
You're the best. Not moving things and people in and out of places they shouldn't be.
We look towards Barbados, avoid government control, but there aren't that many anymore.
Why's that?
Okay. Okay, is this guy good or what?
I'm gonna add a couple cloves of garlic. Not because it's not delicious, I just want to add a little bit of zip.
See you tomorrow, hopefully.
Do you want to have coffee with? It's good.
Oh, he's like a younger brother to me, you guys.
And he's got worthy for another. Paul Miller comes in with Bill Stevens on 2nd and 7. Touchdown.
Everybody right here on the Chiefs' left side. Look at it.
Nicholas Jackson. Well, Sancho to his left, came the other side to Manwake. Brilliant ball. Now he's back in the middle, waiting for a return. Manwake goes for goal instead.
Well balanced in the lane. And he had 22 in the win over Tar Heels Saturday.
Knock it down to 3, and then, once again, I said before, you can't be that far over in a gap.
That's the highest assist rate for me since the Big 13 of 1950.
Windy day. Hey, Miles, just getting to the raft. You on your way? We didn't miss it. Who we babysitting? MJ got it too.
So the BladeCine Cube 600 is one of the most interesting projectors I have tested in a while. I like its cubic design with a gimbal stand, and I was a little surprised by the travel case. I haven't had a projector with one of these before. The automatic screen adjustment, such as autofocus, auto keystone, auto obstacle avoidance, and auto screen alignment, works very well. The built-in speakers are also very good quality. As for the image quality, I believe the projector has a brightness of 600 ISO lumens because the picture is very clear and bright. Perhaps my small complaint would be the smart system, because I prefer Android or Google TV. Although Linux is installed here and it has certified Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video and many other apps. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!